What happens when love is born from force? A woman trapped in an unwanted marriage. A ruthless man who won't let go. A battle between love and control. Today, I'll share the top 10 Turkish dramas where a woman is forced to marry a villain, filled with intense emotions, love-hate relationships, and unexpected romance. So, let's dive in. At number 10, we have Black Pearl. Turkish, Siyah İnci. Hajal and Kenan are deeply in love, dreaming of a happy future together. But their dreams are shattered when a wealthy and manipulative man, named Veril, sets his eyes on Hajal. He forces her into marriage, using his power and influence to trap her. Veril's obsession with Hajal makes her life a living nightmare. Meanwhile, Kenan refuses to give up on his love and fights to rescue Hajal from Veril's control. Will Hajal ever reunite with Kenan, or will Veril's dark obsession keep her trapped forever? At number 9, we have Kara Sevda. English, Endless Love. Nihan and Kemal fall deeply in love, despite coming from different worlds. But their happiness is short-lived when Emir, a powerful and ruthless businessman, forces Nihan into marriage. Emir's obsession with Nihan turns her life into a silent prison. She stays with him to protect her family, while her heart still belongs to Kemal. But Kemal is not someone who gives up easily. He fights against Emir's evil schemes, determined to win back the love of his life. Will love triumph over power, or will Nihan be trapped in a loveless marriage forever? At number 8, we have Siyah Beyaz Aşk. English, Price of Passion. Asl is a kind-hearted doctor who believes in saving lives. But her world turns upside down when she crosses paths with Farhat, a cold-hearted hitman working for a crime syndicate. To protect her life, Farhat forces Asl into marriage, making her part of his dangerous world. At first, their relationship is full of hatred and fear. But as time passes, Asl's pure heart begins to melt Farhat's icy walls. Will love change Farhat's dark soul, or will Asl be forced to live in fear forever? At number 7, we have Sıla. Sıla has lived a free and happy life in the city, away from the traditions of her birthplace. But one day, she is tricked into returning to her hometown, only to be forced into marriage with Boran, a powerful tribal leader. At first, Boran appears to be cruel and heartless, but as the story unfolds, Sıla discovers that he is not the villain she thought. Their relationship slowly transforms from forced obedience to unexpected love. Will Sıla embrace her new life, or will she find a way to escape? At number 6, we have Ayaz Sonu Guns. English, Here Comes the Sun. Zeynep is forced to marry Ayaz, a man with a dark past and a heart full of secrets. Ayaz is controlling and mysterious, making Zeynep's life extremely difficult. But as time passes, Zeynep starts to uncover the real Ayaz, the man behind the tough exterior. Will she run away, or will she discover that love can bloom even in the most unlikely places? At number 5, we have Gulsemil. Gulsemil is a man consumed by revenge. To fulfill his long-awaited plan, he forces Deva into marriage. At first, Deva is nothing more than a pawn in his game, but soon, her kindness and innocence begin to soften his heart. Will Gulsemil choose love over revenge, or will his hatred destroy their happiness? At number 4, we have Vendetta. Turkish, Kensai Skleri. Baran and Dil are forced to marry to end a long-standing family feud. Baran is cold and distant, carrying the weight of his past on his shoulders. Dil, on the other hand, refuses to be just a victim of fate. As they navigate their unwanted marriage, unexpected feelings start to develop. Will love heal their wounds, or will their family's past destroy them? At number 3, we have Yusi Kurus. English, Three Pennies. Kartal is a notorious gangster living in a dangerous world of crime. Bahar, a strong-willed woman, is pulled into his life under unexpected circumstances. What starts as a strategic move turns into an emotional battle as love begins to break through their walls. Can Bahar change Kartal's dark ways, or is he too deep into his criminal world to escape? At number 2, we have Ezaret. English, Redemption. Orhun is a ruthless and dominant man who forces Hira into marriage after a series of tragic events. Hira is innocent but strong. She refuses to be broken by Orhun's arrogance. Slowly, her gentle nature begins to change him. Will Orhun realize Hira's true worth before it's too late? And finally, at number 1, we have Emanet. English, Legacy. Seher is a kind-hearted woman who is forced into marriage with Yaman, a powerful and cold-hearted businessman. Yaman doesn't believe in love, but he forces Seher into marriage to protect his nephew. What starts as a forced bond soon turns into something much deeper. Can Seher soften Yaman's heart, or will his past fears keep them apart forever? And that's it for today's video. These were the top 10 forced to marry or villain Turkish dramas. Which one are you most excited to watch? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turkish Drama Notions for more amazing content. See you in the next video, and happy watching.